DR sort 2 with prefixes pre, fore, post, and after. Let's sort a few of these and then discuss what the meanings of the prefixes are. Remember, a prefix is a little bit that comes before the word. That's why the little dash comes after it, because it affixes to the base word. Here we have afternoon, postpone, foretell, prepare. So I just have to spread them out a little bit farther, not too far so you can still see. Then the actual headers are prehistoric, afterthought, forethought. This would be the opposite. Afterthought is to think of something after it happened, and a forethought is to think of it before it happens. Preseason, preposition. Now preposition, the pre makes a different sound. Preposition. Preposition is a part of speech that comes before the position. Preposition, before the position. It tells you, are you going up a hill, under a table? Those are prepositions. Pre-war, post-war, and of course this would mean before a war, and post-war means after a war. Post-test, after a test. Foresight, to see something before it happens. Post-season is of course the opposite of a pre-season, after the season. Post-date, that would be after the date. Sometimes you can take a check and put a date that's later on so that they don't cash it until after the date. Foreman, he's the first man on the site. A prefix, a prefix, it's a word that fixes on before the base word before, to fix onto a word before it. Aftertaste, predict, preface. Now this one has the same kind of a sound as preposition. Preface. A preface is writing in a book that usually the author does. Afterward, that would be in a book. That would be after the main part of the book. Precede, something that comes before something else. Forefathers, we call these the people who made our Constitution, our first fathers. And forward, this is something that comes before the words. So, what do these prepositions mean? Both of these mean before, and you can write it on your headers. Before. This one also means before. Now what do these mean? They mean after. Look, that one even actually says after. Both of these mean after. And you probably don't need to write this, but I will anyway. If you're not sure what some of these words mean, make sure, especially at the durational relationship stage, that you are going ahead and looking in a dictionary or maybe online for what these mean. All right, now it's time for you to do your sort. Remember, your sort does not need to be in exactly the same order. Make sure the same words are in this column, but it doesn't matter what order they're in.